Here I have myPhone Prime 2 and let me show you how to insert here microSD and SIM cards on this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key just to switch off the phone, tap power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to go to your back cover and you need to remove it. Let's do it by using the cavity at the right edge of the device. Let's simply open the whole thing right here. Let's do it step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. Excellent. And here you've got access to your slots. As you can see, you can insert here 2 SIM cards, one micro SIM, one nano SIM and one micro SD. So let's start by inserting the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Afterwards, let's insert the nano SIM. Here I have the nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Put this card right here. Let's push it to the end. Now it's time to enter the micro SIM. Here I have the micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here, and let's push this card right here to the end. Excellent. Now let's close the back cover protection, make sure it's closed properly, and press power key to switch on the myPhone Prime 2. Keep holding power key. Let's wait until the device will be turned on, just to make sure that all of my cards works properly. The device is turning on. Excellent. If you have a PIN card on your SIM, you have to enter the PIN. So let me do it. Excellent. Now, if you would like to make sure that your cards works properly, let's find and select the settings. Then let me choose the SIM cards. It's under wireless and networks. And as you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. Now let's go back and let me choose storage. It's located under device tab, and as you may notice, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. Our cards are installed properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.